Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Greenhouse Recruiting Software. Greenhouse Recruiting Software is a comprehensive applicant tracking system, ATS, designed to help companies manage their entire recruiting process, from sourcing candidates to extending offers. Its main purpose is to streamline hiring, and its target audience is HR professionals and recruiters in businesses of all sizes. Key features include candidate relationship management, CRM, job posting tools, interview scheduling, and reporting dashboards. Their website provides details on pricing and plans. Greenhouse boasts a user-friendly interface, aiming for ease of use and efficiency. They emphasize transparency in pricing, though specific costs aren't publicly listed, requiring a contact for detailed quotes. The platform leveraged modern technology to automate many tasks, reducing manual workload. Availability is global, though specific features might vary by region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Greenhouse Recruiting Software. Getting started was fairly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, with helpful tutorials and support articles. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly grasped how to post jobs, screen applications, and manage candidate communications. I particularly liked the automated email sequences, a huge time saver. The performance was excellent. The platform was consistently fast and reliable. I had a quick question about integrating with our existing CRM, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, giving me a clear overview of the entire recruiting pipeline. The standout feature for me was definitely the candidate scoring system, allowing for more objective evaluations. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to rely on the desktop version. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced reporting features, but once I mastered them, they provided incredibly valuable insights. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Greenhouse Recruiting Software. It streamlined our hiring process significantly and provided valuable tools for managing candidates effectively. That's my overview of Greenhouse Recruiting Software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.